Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change the auto lock time on an iPhone or iPad in iOS. This is the time before your phone will automatically lock and require Face ID or a passcode to be unlocked. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To change auto lock time in iOS, open the Settings app first and then tap on the option called Display and Brightness. Within here, look for and select Auto Lock. You can now adjust how long your phone will take to auto lock between just 30 seconds and never. If you select never, you will have to manually lock your phone. And so that is how to change the auto lock time on an iPhone or iPad in iOS. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.